In the ever-changing world of virtual reality, VRChat has become a top social platform with its customizable avatars, tons of user-made content and cross-platform compatibility. VRChat has won over billions of users worldwide, but as the technology grows, new alternatives pop up, each with its new unique take on the social VR experiences. So let's dive in and explore the top 5 alternatives to VRChat, each offering special features and advantages. Our first stop is the Horizon World, which is a social VR platform developed by the tech giants Meta, formerly Facebook. Horizon World set itself apart with its intuitive creation tools, allowing users to easily craft their own virtual worlds and experiences. The platform also boasts robust social interaction capabilities, enabling seamless communication and collaboration among its users. And even there is more, its cross-platform compatibility ensures that the virtual fun can be enjoyed across a variety of devices from Meta Quest headset to web browsers. Next, we have Rec Room, which was launched in 2016. Rec Room is a social VR platform that emphasizes fun and creativity, making it available on multiple platforms including VR headsets, consoles, and mobile devices. What sets Rec Room apart is its variety of activities like paintball, dodgeball, and escape rooms, which provides endless entertainments, and users can create and customize their own rooms to host events or hang out with friends. And the cross-platform play features makes it more accessible than VRChat, connecting users across different devices. Rec Rooms focus on interactive games, and a younger, more casual audience make it a fantastic choice for those looking to have fun and socialize in a playful environment. Moving on, let's talk about Sensor, and it is developed by Linden Lab, the creators of Second Life. Sensor was launched in 2017 and it offers a high-fidelity social VR experiences with stunning and realistic virtual environments. Its standout features include a virtual economy where users can buy and sell virtual goods, from clothing to 3D models, and immersive events such as concerts, exhibitions, and meetups in beautifully crafted spaces. Sensor's visual quality and focus on a virtual economy set it apart, which is making it a great choice for users looking for a more visually immersive and economically engaging platform. Now next up is Big Screen VR, which was launched in 2016, and it is a unique platform that combines social interaction with the environment, and it transforms your VR headset into a virtual cinema and social hub. Its key features include a virtual cinema where you can watch movies, TV shows, and live streams with friends, and their desktop streaming features allow you to share your desktop screen in a VR, which makes it perfect for virtual LAN parties or presentations. You can also host private viewing parties or meetups with custom settings. Big Screen VR is perfect for those who love watching content together and want a cozy interactive spaces to do so, and its unique focus on media consumption differentiate it from VRChat's broader social focus. Last but not least, we have a Neos VR, a platform that pushes the boundaries of creativity and interactivity. This was launched in 2018 and it is designed for creators, developers, and educators. It offers advanced creation tools to build and program complex worlds and experiences with powerful and VR tools. This collaborative environment allows you to work with others in a real time to create and explore. Neos VR is also used for educational purposes, where you can host classes, workshops, and educational simulation, and its emphasis on advanced creation and collaboration makes it a fantastic alternative for those who want to dive deep into building and sharing intricate virtual experiences. But wait, there is more. In the rapidly growing VR landscape, Fifthscape is making significant strides as your gateway to the next big thing, and it is a world-class AR and VR ecosystem that connects the brightest minds together by forging immersive realities through its fully integrated VR system, and it is designed for developers and architects to create alternative realities. With VR market expected to grow by 104% by 2028, Fifthscape caters to all aspects of VR experiences, and players can enjoy cutting-edge immersive games while developers receive the support and funding needed to bring their worlds to life. And if you want to know more about the project or looking for the investment opportunities, visit the Fifthscape website.